Now, with respect to the transition to grade 10, I had informed the Kenyans that the government is ready to transition to grade 10 from grade 9. And the preparation have been done. Over this year, we got an allocation of 950 million to Kpsea to retool the teachers so that they are able to receive the grade 9 who are joining in January next year. As you are aware, the transition is going to be in three pathways. That is sports and arts, social sciences, and STEM. So the students have already been piloted. The piloting was done in July on how to select schools, on how to select pathways, and now they are undertaking the examinations. The examinations for grade 9 to transition to grade 10 will have an accumulative marks of 60% because the other 40% is what they've already acquired in the process of being in junior school. So the government is ready to transition. The teachers have been trained, and as you are aware, this year 2024 we didn't have Form 1, so the whole infrastructure for Form 1s in secondary schools is available to receive these students. And number two, the Form 4s who are doing their exams now will be leaving the institution, so we'll have like two main streams available for grade 9. So in terms of infrastructure, the schools are ready, the assessments were done, and the allocations were done, and they are all ready to receive the students. All we are doing is asking the Kenyans that as the students undertake the exams, allow them to do the examinations without interference and without any form of malpractice, so that whatever grade they get, the government is ready to do the 100 transition to their institutions and to the courses that they are competent in. That is ongoing, and this year, we have a total of 3.4 billion candidates taking the exams. That is in Kpsea, Kjsea, and Kcse. This is the largest number of examination enrollment that has been done in this country. And we need each and everyone to have their hands on board so that we have a smooth transition. We have a smooth transition to grade 9, and our Form 4s do their best as they are undertaking the exams. So I'm taking this opportunity again to wish all